Well, Home Depot just delivered my shower enclosure, and it's got my name on it. So just videotaping. Everything looks good. This one's designed to install right on the plywood. It's got a nice flat bottom. Thing looks good. No chips, no nips. There's a little one there, but it ain't no big deal, I guess. Everything else looks pretty good. Pretty good. All right. I'm just gonna leave this sucker right outside. There's no sense in dragging it inside. I've got my walls built for the bathroom. Just putting a couple more studs in, and ready for some plumbing tomorrow. All right, I'll be back. Okay. What I'm doing right now is framing the bathroom door wall, which is where the vanity will be to the right of that. So let me get it hooked up, stood up, and then kind of get an idea. Okay, good morning. Today is HVAC, electrical wire rough-in, and plumbing rough-in. So just wanted to kind of give you a lay of the land here, and all this of course has to be done before we can spray foam the floor and put the floor down. So just kind of showing you a little bit of the raw floor before I run my ductwork. And then we'll run some wires, and then we'll drop in some plumbing. All right, we'll be back. Okay. Just wanted to give you all a quick update. All the heat duct is run. There'll be a cabinet there, and out the cabinet facing back towards the bed will be a register, and it'll be blowing hot air that way. There'll be another one in the bottom of the vanity blowing towards the bedroom. And you can see both of those go right back to the plenum. And here's this long one, goes right back to the plenum, comes through, and will go into the plenum. Now, for those of you who don't know what a plenum is, it's basically a box that's insulated that your heat will go down into from your blower and then be distributed throughout the system through all this ductwork. Okay? Now, I spent a lot of money on my heat system. So originally the gas furnace, which I'm still getting by the way, only required 4 registers. But with the electric heat at 100%, it needed 6 registers, okay, for the airflow. And that's on the high heat setting. So, which the electric heat will attach directly to the gas furnace right in front of it, and there'll be a switch on the wall, basically electric or gas. And the control box and all handles everything. Shuts the gas off, turns the electric on. It's a beautiful system. I'm trying to get back far enough to where you can kind of see the whole system. So right here, and it's kind of hard. Let me try to step out maybe. All right, so this is sort of our living room area, and there'll be a register here blowing right by the front door, and there'll be another one over here blowing into the living room. Okay, so that's two. Then there's one down there, will be at the end of that cabinet for the bedroom. Another one on the right side, right in front of the bed, is another one. And then there's this one right here, which will come out, go out, come up, and will go into the bathroom. And that's the bathroom. All right, now, this one right here, follow me if you can, goes this way, goes under the bathroom door, continues on, straight on back to my utility room. All right, so I'll have some heat in my utility room. Not looking to boil it, but just to try to knock, I mean, it's going to be insulated and everything like that, so a little bit of heat back there will be nice. So anyway, so that one's coming along. Now, I showed you yesterday, or maybe, but you see those holes right there? They're running right to the right of that heat pipe. Well, that's my water inlet, okay? So when the heat is on, you can imagine those cavities are going to be nice and toasty. So, the likelihood of my water freezing is pretty much zero. So, all right. Well, in case you didn't notice, I was sort of kind of standing in my bathroom. I kind of needed to put the walls up. Oh, let me back up. Okay. So, there's the bathroom. The stove will be there, and the fridge will be there. And there's the door to the bathroom, which I'll be making, by the way. The shower, I don't know if you can see that X on the floor right there, but that's the shower drain. It doesn't drain down through the floor right there, but that's the center of the shower stall where the drain will be hooked up, and it'll come right over to here and hook into the rest of the drains and everything for the gray water, and then probably go off in that direction and drop down into the tank. The toilet is right there. You can see the X marks the spot. Actually, it looks like a tic-tac-toe, but it doesn't matter. We're still going to move it around a little bit, but basically the toilet will be centered in the space available once the shower is installed, which we know that dimension because the shower is exactly 36 inches. So 36 inches to this wall is 15 inches. It's about 30 inches wide. So, and then it'll be 15 inches off that back wall. Be a beautiful thing. Of course, with the black water tank has to be right underneath the toilet. So that'll be pretty much right under that wood, under that floor will be a black water tank, and right next to it over here, in between these two axles will be my gray water tank. And then they'll empty out, of course, outside, but it'll be a valve. All right, well, let me get to work here. I gotta do some plumbing and I gotta do some electric. So the HVAC is pretty much ready to go. They're spray foaming on Thursday, so I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to get all this tightened up. So, all right, I'll check back with you soon. Okay. Over here, in front of the trailer, right there, on top of that, let's say where that register pipe is where the furnace goes. And above that is the refrigerator. And to the right of the furnace is the tankless hot water heater. And above that is the stove. All four of those devices, minus the electric portion of the heat, is all propane. So I'm going to be running a 3/4 inch line, gas line, from my utility room through the floor and over and down and down and down and down. And I'll go through I'll be going under through that hole through to the next cavity. I'll drill some 1.25 inch hole there, 1.25 inch there, and I'll stub it up. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm working on the right side of the bed now. Okay, I'm going to run my gas and electric in those cavities, and my heat and water in those cavities. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I just want to kind of give you a bird's eye view of the plenum that's being installed. Okay, you see there's a hole right there, and there's 4 holes right there. So when I lay my plenum down in there, see how all the holes line up, and you can hold on a second. I stuck it in upside down, and the way these work is these go right inside there. I'm sorry, I'm going to do them this way. These are going to go in just like that, all the way around, and then they'll get, that whole cavity, that whole thing is going to get sealed up with aluminum tape. Okay, so it should be airtight. But keep in mind, when the flooring's on top of this thing, basically it's pretty sealed. And if I wasn't putting plumbing in this floor, I could have sealed all the edges of those wood, cut me some registers in the floor, and just used the floor as one giant plenum. But that would have been hillbilly. So, alright, I'll be back. Looking good. Look at that bathroom, boy. It's coming along good. Got my holes drilled for my gas pipe. Which runs there. I'm getting all set. Okay. I'll be back. Just a little summary of what I did today. Got all the heat ducts run all the way down over there. This one here will come up into a cabinet. So that comes up into a cabinet. And this one here comes up into a cabinet. And this will be blowing the bedroom, And that one goes to my utility room. Gotta have heat, bro. Okay. The bathroom's almost plumbed in. Everything's dry fitted. Got my right there's the center drain for the shower. And right there's the toilet. And closed, 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 closed. I just gotta bring my table in, put the generator in a trash can away. All right, talk to you in a little while. Okay, I don't know if anybody saw the, I guess I didn't do a video, so I just brought it today. What a dumbass. Okay, this is a crapper, and it's Dometic Mobile Living Made Easy, and it's designed so that when you're driving down the road, it keeps some water in the bowl so that your sewer gases don't come up through it. But that's not really an issue because we have a vent pipe. But, you know, RV odors do happen if shit isn't done properly, but as you can see, Vinny's doing it properly. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me finish loading this crap up. Okay, another day has come to a close. Everything's loaded back up in there, and I'll be back here tomorrow morning. Let's lock this puppy up. I just leave my ladders and my sawhorses outside. It's just easier, I guess. No big deal, you know. I've been storing some stuff in here. Here's my electric panel. It's gonna hang up on my electronics wall. I got my surge suppressors, I got my gauges, I got my transfer switches, I got my converters, all the stuff for it. As you all know, my truck has all my batteries and everything in it that I'll be transferring over to this unit. No sense in having them in the truck when I can put them in my trailer. Of course, I'll be adding some more batteries, and of course my wind turbine and my solar panels and everything will be on the trailer. What I'm gonna try to do is have my aluminum guy build me some sort of a mount that I can mount my tower right on the trailer, man. That would be some sweet stuff. So we'll be visiting him this week. I gotta get my propane filled. I've used 4 bottles of propane on this project so far, and so this will be number 5 and number 6. No big deal. I'll get those filled and have them ready for tomorrow, or pick them up in the morning for tomorrow. And you know, life is good. Life is good. Let me lock this one up, and then that'll be that. Everything looks good. I got a couple of pipes there. Didn't feel like picking them up and bringing them inside, and I have to pick them up and bring them outside again tomorrow. They're not bothering anybody. But old Black Betty's dirty. I gotta get her cleaned up, man. People notice. I have to lift my damn tailgate with my left arm because my right arm just isn't strong enough. So I'll be visiting the doctor next month. Let's see how that goes. All right, I think we got a lot of shit done today. Can't wait to come back tomorrow. All right, everybody, y'all have a good day. If you If you like the video, subscribe, share it, do whatever. Appreciate it. Any comments are always welcome. Talk to you later. Bye.